Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Roblox with my brother. Say hello. He needs to say
Why do you want me to say hello?
cause okay guys, today we're gonna be playing Camping 3. Cause you know. Um um, Camping 3. So Samsung XVI well he decided to make a new camping game. Hold up. And then just okay, guys. 1 second. Okay, guys, let's get into it.
Brother.
Okay, join me. Samsung XVI with his new camping game. Why do they have to make another? Camping 2 and Camping 1 were enough. Oh, also, guys, go check out my new channel called Black Shadow. It is a I'm gonna use it for my Minecraft PvP videos. I've done a few on my channel so far, but I would just like to put that on there because I'm not gonna do another Minecraft PvP video on this channel. I'll do Minecraft videos on this channel.
Helicopters, what the heck?
Yeah, let's go. This helicopter right here. Let's go, mate.
Oh no.
Oh no! Wait. Oh wait. Yeah, we don't leave until we get a full helicopter. This person speaks Spanish, and they're speaking a lot.
Among
Among Us.
Among Us.
Oh my god. Wait, dude, they got. Do you know how they get those balloons? Those balloons are Korean balloons. They have Korean writing on them. You should get some. Like, you should get some of those sometime. You know?
Yes.
Assuming that I know Japanese and you know, I don't know what languages you know. But, I thought they were Japanese balloons at first. But, fun fact, they were not. It's Park Ranger Steve. I can't see the image. My game is still loading. So who's Steve and who's...
This is weird.
Is the guy with the blue hair Steve?
No, Park Ranger Steve.
Oh, Daniel! Dude, I shot him in the second game. I shot him in the face. I'm so sorry, bro. I did not know he was in the I did not know. Because, like, we were still getting tortured, so I assumed he wasn't the killer. I mean, I thought he was the killer because, like, he left every single time the killer came. But since we kept on getting tortured, like, we had to go through that maze, and it was playing copyrighted music. I assumed that so after I killed him, that the copyright music and the snakes, you know, because that doesn't seem right. Like, why would Daniel play copyright music to like literally destroy my channel? Wait, is it 3 copyright claims on one video, or is it on any videos? Because I already have 2. One is from
This is not a
Yeah,
mine.
one is from the Mimic. I did a Mimic video with my friend, and I almost got copyright claimed. Almost got copyright claimed. On that video because I forgot that the lady was at the farmhouse. I also trolled someone real bad in the Mimic, but I didn't record it because I forgot to because I'm a stupid head. But I still recorded the end of the trolling, her reaction, and she told everyone to subscribe because I feel really bad after that. But I'm glad she said to subscribe after all that. That's a nice person. Go ahead and explore. I'll catch up with you later. Are we gonna die? I feel like okay. So I'm gonna do videos on every single sequel of it. Like there's games called Camping 2 and Camping 3, Hotel, Mansion, and there.
This is just the 3rd game without a tricep at all.
No, there's sequels to this game, to Camping, like Hotel and Mansion.
You know what sequel means? The same game, but just a different setup.
No. Oh my God!
What?
Did you see that? Like, I just turned around and I saw this thing run across the forest over there. And it looks so big. We speak English. Who speak English? Us. We speak English. English. This is actually my real character. Let's go get killed real quick. See if we get killed. But I'd have to do a new video. But it's fine, you know? Oh my God.
There's the park right here.
Where's he? Oh. Follow me. Okay. We should return to the lodge. Let's go. Let's go back to the lodge. I love the lodge. The lodge is my actual favorite place. This is a nice little lodge. Let's go. What's this? I don't know. I don't. Okay. Let's sit down in this chair. Brother. Wait, can I sit right here? Or do I have to sit over there? I have to sit over there. Woo!
We fall asleep on the couch?
Yeah. Sure is stormy outside. Yep, it is.
Usually in these games it's not really storming outside.
Let's see. Let's look outside.
There's something gonna appear
beautiful.
in the window, isn't it?
No, I don't know. I haven't played this game before. Don't ask me.
Yeah, but this guy's from the Korean SWAT team right here.
Wait, what? What do you mean?
He has the Korean flag on his
What?
arm.
What? First we got this dude, which is actually epic, and we got this dude with the balloons. I love it. Among Us. Shout out to you guys. Among Us.
I leave.
I like this dude's avatar.
No, I I can't hear anything, honestly. Jeez.
I hear crying.
Why does someone need help?
Oh no, no, don't, no. Okay, you know what? Let's go. Let's go. I don't care. You little scaredy cats. You scaredy cats. Let's go.
Wait, I can't hear sound.
Wait, is your Roblox audio down?
I've heard the sound effect before.
Come this way.
Do not get out of this bubble.
Come this way. Guys, come this way.
Where is this coming from?
Let's go this way, cause
Why does every bad guy cry? Why does he cry? Why does it sound so close, but it's not?
oh god, how did we hear it from all the way out there though? Come on.
There.
What's wrong, buddy?
It's a park ranger.
Ah!
Whoa. It's a.
Run!
I hope they're not making furry jokes.
No, they aren't.
Why are we getting struck by lightning?
No. Run back to the lodge.
Struck by lightning.
Oh my god, my chest hurts so bad right now. I yelled so loud. I hurt.
It's an animatronic.
I'm an epic parkour, bro. Get in.
The park ranger is dead.
No! Our friend died. Our friend died.
Close the door. Close the door.
Oh my god.
Who's
What?
that?
Oh my god.
You got the attack.
I hurt. My chest hurts a lot so bad. And I feel lightheaded. Oh my god. Mousy pig.
I can hide behind this. Yep, another broken spot.
Wait, why is it still lightninging? Lightninging. That's definitely a word.
He's right outside.
It's a oh my god.
It's Chuck E. Cheese.
Yes, it's Chuck E. Cheese. Yay, he left. We're good.
It just disappeared. Did it like teleport?
I think it's God.
Better be.
Yeah, it better be. I coughed so hard. Oh my god.
Oh, I swear I'm gonna explode.
Oh my god. I wake up in the morning. Oh my god, wait. There's wait, hold on. No, let me out.
A mouse knows we're in here. I saw this. It's all
Wait, hold up.
The helicopters don't return.
It says, see you soon. Oh my god. That's scary. That's like, oh my god.
The mine? No. There's no way we're doing
Where's
that.
the other park ranger though? Like the blue-haired dude. Because Daniel just got obliterated.
I don't think that was him. I think it's the blue-haired guy.
Yeah, no, Daniel just got obliterated. He had brown hair, dude. Oh my god. No, watch out.
She's gonna explode.
No, Cold last night. Avoid her at all costs. She's gonna kill us. Don't let her kill us. down the volume just in case this is a copyright sound effect. But I don't think that, you know what? It's fine. I'm okay. But if it gets copyright striked, I will not upload this video. Stricken.
No.
Yeah, I know. No, we're recording a video right now. Sorry about that, guys. Each other's sick. You're starting.
Wood.
Stay away from them though, because they have sneezes. It's
Collect wood for the fire. Where?
from the no. This is the forest over here.
It's loud.
Yeah, it's like. I got one.
7?
I got two. I got two. Let's go. I'm so good at this game. Let's go out in the forest and see his day.
Oh, he's sneezing again.
Did you get sick? No, you didn't.
Nope.
Wait, where'd Daniel go? Hey, Daniel's gone.
You know.
Yeah, look. Look, his blood is right here.
Okay, there's another log over here. And then there's one
My
up
friend.
ahead.
My friend. I feel sad. I feel depressed.
Head to the fire. It's been lit. How?
We're all the way out here. Maybe someone stayed behind. Cause like I see this dude here. Don't you dare sneeze on me. Don't you dare. No, he's coming near me. He wants me dead. He wants to sneeze on me. This is disgusting. Watch out.
Is he coming near me? That scared me so bad.
What?
Don't say watch out. I thought the mouse was behind me. Jeez.
Because the dude was like, like
I think he's gonna be in the lodge.
the dude swallowed his mic to record that sound. Like, he's like,
Okay.
we're safe. Amazing. Tremendous. Ah, warm.
Also, and like in any story game, there's gonna be a point where the killer can actually kill us.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, we are safe. But I wonder why it says see you soon on that thing.
Does the mouse just want a friend? I'm just kidding.
If he does, I wouldn't do it. Wow.
Oh no, it's nighttime.
Why are we outside? Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Then why?
that does not look like a mouse. It looks like a rat.
I don't know. Looks. I don't know what it is. Oh yes, the mine's gonna collapse. That's why this is here. I am scared.
He's gonna collapse and then we're gonna run from him.
No. The monster. The monster. The monster. Oh my god.
It's collapsing. What? see that? Did you just see that? Did you just see that? Like that dang effect that it did. It was so funny looking. It just grew out of the ceiling.
Like,
Yeah,
like doesn't it look like someone just used like the B tools to just cover the door, like
yes.
he pulls an item down like boop boop.
Yeah, it looked like that. Dude, this story
Da-
game
da-
has
da-
too
da- da-
long
da-
of like
da- 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 da.
spots where you're just doing nothing. What do we do?
This might have a copyright.
Hungry. Shut up.
I might have a copyright music in here. Me too, but we have nothing to eat.
No.
Nothing to eat. I'm starving. If we don't eat something, we will die. Eat the noob. Eat the noob. I'm just kidding. Don't eat the noob. Eat this dude. The SWAT dude.
Eat the rock.
You don't mean cannibalism. Dude. We can literally outvote these people. Eat. Who should we eat? Just eat the person that has one vote already. Come on. You know what? Just pick. No, do this guy. Do this lady. Just do the lady. Eat her.
Alright.
Click the lady. Yeah.
No.
Five.
Go all vote on each other.
No.
I'm dead.
My God, dude, why? Why? You could have voted for her. You could have voted for her, and you. Oh my God, dude. Dude, no, we're not gonna vote. Why did you vote for Why'd you vote for everyone else? You could have killed her. Are we gonna have to restart this story?
No.
Because you're not here.
So?
We were gonna do this together.
So?
Bring your gaming chair over here, okay? Because you need to. I'm gonna mute you on Discord. I'm dead, because I had to mute you. Oh my God, we have to do this again.
No, we have to.
Yes,
go
we
outside.
we have to do this again.
No, we don't.
Guys, I'm doing it alone now because he just decided to chicken out.
No, I just don't want to keep playing when we have to get off.
We don't have to get off. We don't. I have to finish this video, finish this game. I was muting you, cause like, dude, I was muting him, so we lost. We literally lost. Oh my God, this sucks. I actually muted him. I did it on purpose so that I can die, and we can do it together. Cause he was dumb enough to vote on the other dude when we could have just were safe. We could have just been safe. We could have just finished this. Stupid. This is why I don't do videos with him. Because he makes dumb decisions sometimes. It's sometimes so bad that it's like very even. It's hard. It's hard to do stuff because we literally just can't. I want to finish this game. to finish this game for you guys. And then the time I pause the video, I'll watch the video. Yeah. We weren't even halfway through. Can't take that for a video. I can't. I just can't take that for a video. It's just not cool. I swear, if 2 people die in this, and it's just me and someone else, and then I'm the one who gets eaten, I'm literally done with this game. But if my brother would have just voted the girl, we would have been able to finish the game together, and that's what I wanted to do. But now we can get a close look at this thing that runs across the forest. Where are the other people? Guess what, guys? Definitely not a scary part. Oh my god, no. No, we're not supposed to. We're not supposed to be going this way. Yeah, I'm not doing this with 2 people. So that's gonna be the end of this video, guys, because so many people chicken out is so dumb. But hope you guys have enjoyed. Go subscribe to my second channel, Black Shadow. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll see you guys later.